Join me as I take on the challenge of making the ultimate keto cheesecake that's totally guilt-free. Welcome to today's video where we'll be making the best keto cheesecake that's not only guilt-free, but also incredibly tasty. Many people struggle to find desserts that fit their low-carb lifestyle without sacrificing flavor. I completely understand the frustration of being on a keto diet but still craving something sweet and indulgent. It can be really tough to resist the temptation of high-carb treats, especially when you're surrounded by them. But the thing is, you don't have to give up on dessert altogether. With a little creativity and the right ingredients, you can enjoy delicious keto-friendly desserts that won't sabotage your diet. Today we're going to make a game-changing keto cheesecake that's not only low in carbs, but also packed with nutrients and flavor. This cheesecake is perfect for special occasions or even just a regular Tuesday when you need a sweet pick-me-up. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you because it's truly a game changer. It's creamy, it's rich, and it's ridiculously easy to make. Plus, it's made with ingredients that are not only keto-friendly but also incredibly nutritious. We're talking about healthy fats, proteins, and fiber-rich ingredients that will keep you full and satisfied for hours. So, if you're ready to indulge in a guilt-free dessert that will impress your friends and family, then let's get started. One of the biggest misconceptions about keto desserts is that they're bland and boring. But trust me, this cheesecake is anything but boring. It's got a perfect balance of tangy and sweet flavors, and a silky, smooth texture that will leave you wanting more. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy to make. You don't need any special skills or equipment to make this cheesecake. Just follow along with me, and you'll be enjoying a slice or two in no time. We'll go through the ingredients you need, why they're keto-friendly, and step-by-step instructions on how to create this mouth-watering cheesecake. First, let's talk about the crust. We're using almond flour, which is a great low-carb alternative to traditional flour. It's also packed with healthy fats and protein, making it a nutritious and delicious base for our cheesecake. Next, we're using a combination of cream cheese, eggs, and sweetener to create a creamy and rich filling. And to give it that perfect tangy flavor, we're adding some lemon zest and juice. The beauty of this recipe is that it's incredibly versatile. You can customize it to your taste by adding different flavors or toppings. Want a chocolate cheesecake? Just add some cocoa powder to the crust and filling. Want a fruity twist? Add some fresh berries on top. The possibilities are endless, and I love that about this recipe. Once we've mixed all the ingredients together, we'll pour it into a baking dish and pop it into the oven. The waiting game is the hardest part, but trust me, it's worth it. The moment we take the cheesecake out of the oven and reveal its creamy texture and perfect color is where the excitement really builds. When you take that first bite, you'll be blown away by the flavors and textures. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. The creamy cheesecake, the crunchy crust, and the tangy lemon flavor all come together to create a truly unforgettable dessert. But what really gets me excited is the reaction of my friends and family when they take a bite. They can't believe it's keto. They can't believe it's low carb. They just can't believe how delicious it is. And that's what it's all about, right? Sharing delicious food with the people you love and enjoying every bite. Let's recap the simple steps we took to create this delicious keto cheesecake and highlight its health benefits. We used keto-friendly ingredients, avoided high-carb traps, and created a dessert that's not only delicious, but also nutritious. If you loved this recipe, be sure to check out my other keto-friendly dessert videos and let me know your thoughts in the comments.